Hi Skinnies, Nick here. Who are you?
A mum.
Mum! It is my beautiful dad's birthday today. How old is he?
71.
71. I was going to say 72.
No, 71.
It's my beautiful dad's birthday today and we are taking him out for his birthday tonight. I won't say where because he doesn't know and he's in the background, but it's a surprise. But us girls and mum are going to treat him tonight because he's the best dad in the world, isn't he?
Yeah, he's all right.
He is the best dad in the
No, he's
world.
pretty good.
I couldn't have been luckier when it came to dads, I think. And mums, obviously. Dad!
Obviously.
He's burping in the background.
Oh,
Anyway, mum and I was sitting there doing my makeup to go out and mum was flicking through the new book because she gets so excited when the actual physical, like, review book gets done. That's when she gets the most excited because then she can sit down and actually flick through the pages. And she doesn't tend to know what's in the books until this point because unless she's over and I've cooked something and she's trying it, you like to be surprised, don't you?
I do, absolutely.
So mum was flicking through the book and she was saying, oh, I'm looking forward to eating this, I'm looking forward to eating that. And we'll go through that in a minute. But one of the recipes, the first recipe that she said she was most excited about trying was the Confit Artisan Bread. And I said, go look on the oven. And she was like, ooh. And I said, well, that means you have to try it live.
Okay.
So mum is going to try the Confit Artisan Bread for the first time live. Now,
Hope I like it.
you will. You will. There's no reason why you wouldn't like it. It's phenomenal. It's,
Looks delicious.
I know. It's got olives, garlic.
I mean, what's not to like?
Like everything in it that you would ever want to actually enjoy. How good does that look, you guys? So, hang on. Let me cut a little bit here for you because I know you don't eat a lot. Put a little bit of butter.
Looks amazing. It smells good too.
Yeah, smells like deliciously.
When you cut it, the smell, the aroma is amazing.
A little bit of fresh salt.
Wow. Okay.
Here you go, mummy.
Thank you.
Bite that end first.
This in first?
Yeah. Is it good? Don't say shit.
That's amazing.
Is it?
It's amazing.
Hey, Dad, do you want to try some?
What?
Some
Come
of the
and try
bread?
this, babe.
Talk about food.
Talking about food. Dad's immediately over here.
Come over this side, love.
Like, is that on film?
Yeah, we're on camera.
Well, you know.
Oh my gosh. That's
You're fine, Dad.
delicious.
Come say hi. Everyone wants to say happy birthday to you. It's my beautiful daddy's happy birthday. He's 71.
Today.
Here you go, try this.
Thank you.
So this is the Confit Artisan Bread. It's got olives and garlic.
Oh my goodness.
How good is that?
I'm having that tonight
How good is that?
before I go to
Who
bed.
needs to go out? We just sit here and eat this. Oh,
That's so nice.
You like it?
Truly, I'm going.
All right, see you, Daddy.
that's beautiful.
Nice. Thank you.
So,
Very, very, very nice.
yay!
That is so nice.
They liked it. You liked it.
Oh. You don't lose it.
It's very good toasted as well, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have it for breakfast with poached eggs.
Still there tomorrow.
If it's still there tomorrow, you says. So, Mum,
Yeah.
maybe we can talk through what recipes you're looking forward to trying the most, besides all of them. And tell them what you thought about the book, like looking through it and stuff.
Well, I mean, it looks amazing, and there's so many good things on there that I would like to try. Pretty excited about. And things that I would look at and think, but when you actually see the pictures and everything, it's amazing. The spiced carrot salad looks amazing. It all looks amazing, by the way. What was that one I said with the steak, Nikki? Which one
The
was?
steak à pavois.
Oh,
The
well,
pepper steak.
I would need pepper steak. I can't pronounce that either.
Hi, Maria.
Maria there.
Yeah.
Hi, Maria.
It's Dad's birthday, Maria.
Yeah, no, it all looks really, really, really good. I'm intrigued to try the white bolognese. That sounds to
It's
me.
so good.
But Nikki
I had it
says
for
it's
dinner.
amazing.
I had it for dinner last night.
Nikki says it's amazing. So
Phenomenal.
I don't know. It's all just so good. That one.
You're going to make Dad the chili garlic prawns.
Yeah.
Oh, you were excited about the pastina.
Yes, absolutely. That
And the
looks-
nori. The naked ravioli. The nori.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely, yes. I mean, as with all books of Nikki's, it's all amazing, and you don't know what to try first because they're all good. They're all good.
Thank you, Mummy.
Very rarely do I find one that I go, yeah, that's a bit average.
She had one last night and she came this morning and she was like, made that recipe last night. It was a bit average, but she didn't actually make it. It was a dump bag that
Yeah,
she had in the freezer, and it's been in the freezer since the last book, so
Yeah.
probably like 8 months.
Oh, that long?
Yeah, it's been at least 8
okay.
months.
All right, but yeah, they're all amazing. What can I say? Another fantastic book. Congratulations,
Thank you,
Nikki. And this bread is
You liked it?
to die for. I'll get out
Right,
of your way.
thank you, Mummy.
You go for it.
So, that was my beautiful mum and dad. Confit Artisan Bread. I know I've already shown it off this week, but Mum really wanted to try it. So I thought that it was perfect to get her to try it on camera as opposed to you guys missing out on it. And I've got so much that I want to make over the next few days to show off. I really want to make the lemon prosecco sorbetto, and I've also got on my list tomorrow night for dinner. I'm making I think it's called lemony chicken orzo. Yeah, lemony chicken orzo. I'm making that for dinner tomorrow night, so stay tuned. I'll go live again tomorrow, but tonight I'm going to just focus on my dad and enjoy his birthday with him because he is one of the most special humans in my life. So he gets all my attention tonight, but I will be back online tomorrow, you guys, and very excited to show off more recipes from Skinny Mediterranean. Now we are on the absolute countdown to book launch. It's next Friday, so there's only a handful of days left. If you have any questions about the book at all, put it in the comments below and I will try to answer them when I'm back online. But otherwise, have a fantastic long weekend, you guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Love you.